Hello viewers, let's make some dal today in Instant Pot. Instant Pot is very quick and easy. For working people, it is really helpful. It's nothing but a pressure cooker. So I take Instant Pot, turn it on, put it on a saute mode, wait for a couple of minutes until the pan is hot enough, add a tablespoon of oil in there and wait for a few more minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, until the oil is warm enough. Add a quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds and quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them turn slightly brown. In a minute, they will turn slightly brown. Add, I have a tablespoon of finely chopped onion pieces. Add those and a couple of cloves of garlic finely chopped and little curry leaves and cilantro, which are optional, but garlic gives a good taste. Some people, instead of garlic, they add asafoetida powder, like a 1/8 spoon or quarter teaspoon of asafoetida powder, but I like garlic with the dal. So not everybody likes the asafoetida smell though, but it's up to you. And I added 6-7 green chilies cut into 2 pieces. Each chili I cut it into half. So you can add more green chilies. It's up to your taste. Some people like it very spicy. Some people don't like very spicy. You can add 1 or 2. It's up to you. So when you add onions, green chilies, and especially garlic, garlic, you fry it until the garlic smell, you can see, like you can feel that smell, like it's not raw smell anymore. Kind of gives a good aroma. So then that is, and look at the onions and everything also. It should turn slightly brown. It takes about 5-6 minutes to fry. It should turn slightly brown. Then that means we are ready. Now add 2 cups of moong dal. Moong dal is the only dal I love to fry it in oil until it is slightly brown and gets the good aroma out of it. When you're frying moong dal, you get a very nice smell when it is done. So I took 2 cups of it and put it in there and fried it. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes or so, like to fry, to get the consistency we are looking for, the smell, nice smell and nice color. That's when I add 2 cups of water. So according to Instant Pot instructions, you have to have 1:1 ratio. So for 1 cup of dal, 1 cup of water. I tried putting more, but if you put more water, it overflows and it gets messy. So you don't want to do that. So I added water and adjusted everything in there, and I added the cilantro now. So also I have a 2 to 3 cups of tomatoes chopped. I added those. You can add spinach also. Like, there are some other vegetables. Next time I'm going to make more videos and put those. You will know what all you can make the dal with. So I added a couple of quarter teaspoons of turmeric, which is a half teaspoon of turmeric actually. Turmeric gives good color, taste, and also healthy. So I always use turmeric in any Indian food I make. So then I added the salt. Salt is also according to your taste, as I told you before. Salt and chili powder or chili paste or green chilies, they go together. Like, if you have more spicy, you add more salt also, like to compensate with each other. So then I close the lid. When I close the lid, so it is a little tricky. You need to learn, like, how to close the lid. Once you close the lid, it locked. Then you go down, check cancel the saute mode, because we don't need the saute mode anymore. Saute mode, when you first start it, it stays 25 minutes, so we don't need it now. Turn it off and go look for the pressure cooker mode. That's the last one on the bottom is the pressure cooker mode. Pressure cook mode. So turn that on. See, automatically gave me 12 minutes, but I don't need. Even the temperature is high. Let it be high. And I don't need 12 minutes. I reduced it to 8 minutes because Moong dal cooks pretty fast. And the warm button, you can leave it as it is, or you can turn it off too. I left it as it is because I'm coming back when it beeps. It beeped. Look at it's all zeros there, and I could hear the beep, and I came, and it's on the warm mode now. Look at the pressure, that little white button, it pops up. That means it's full of pressure in there. So I waited 5 more minutes on the warm, then I came and pressed the pressure button. It releases all the pressure. We don't need all that pressure. It takes a minute to release all the pressure. The button is goes down. Then you can open the lid. The lid won't open if there is any pressure inside. So since this is the moong dal and it cooks pretty fast, I always release the pressure we don't need. And look at the consistency here. It is very hard, so I added a couple of cups of water. I like the little looser consistency than that harder consistency. See, so look at now when I'm mixing it. After I mix it, you see the consistency. It's up to you how you want it. That's what the consistency I wanted. I stopped there, and I added a big spoon of ghee. I love ghee in dal, but a lot of people saute it in ghee, instead of adding it in the end. But I always saute with the oil, a tablespoon of oil, and added big spoon of ghee in the end. I love ghee with the dal. They go very well with each other. While eating also, you can see, like I served in a plate and showed you with rice. Eating also, you can have a little bit of ghee. I always keep the ghee container right next to the dal. So if anybody want the ghee, they can add the ghee in there. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos. I'll be posting more. Thank you very much.